Today this is we're filming on my dad's phone this time, but this thing's moving. Oh yeah, I know. Okay, so the train's coming. So I couldn't finish that other video off, guys. We just got done with the trail, and the end's over here. But it goes across the tracks. Here comes the train. So get back to you guys when the crossings come down, I guess. Okay, guys, here it comes. So I think this is part 4. This is the 4th train we've seen, though. Well, 5th. We saw one parked on the side. And we just got done with the trail. Here comes the train. It's moving pretty slow out of the yard, but this one shouldn't stop. Oh! Got my bike right here. Let's move my bike back a little bit. I know, I'll back up when it gets a little bit closer. Hello? There we go. Here he comes. That might be the same locomotives, except it's on the back of the train, maybe. Woo! CSX 27 and the other one, 5274. Well, guys, here we go. We think there may be another train coming on the side, so we're not sure though. This thing's moving pretty slow. Crossing gate. Oh yeah, Tropicana orange juice. Yeah, we don't even drink. We do like the Simply orange lemonade. We don't drink Tropicana. I need to try Tropicana sometime, especially because we're Floridians. This is a long train, guys, I can already tell. Everything out of Baldwin seems to be so long. Probably because there's so many cars. Is there another thing? I hear... Is this a refrigerator car? Is that why it's making that noise? Oh, this one must be refrigerating right now. Hear that, guys? I thought that was another train coming next to it. Maybe it is another train. Maybe not. We'll have to see. Hopefully this guy doesn't stop too. You think he's gonna stop again? You think this guy's gonna stop? Can I want to touch the train while it's moving.
No, you don't.
I know, but I want to. Okay. Oh, CSX car. Box car. This is what the Trains from World cars look like in the Trains from World 2, guys. The CSX cars. Except there's no graffiti. Yeah, this thing's gonna stop. I don't know why they keep stopping. Well, it stopped, guys, so I guess we'll wait. Can we wait 5 minutes and see if it moves? And then I pause the video, Dad, and then hang on.
Yeah, just pause it.
Yeah, I just pause the video, guys, and then when it starts moving, if it starts moving again, I'll get back to you. Okay, guys, it's starting to move again. I think. Yeah. Yep. Okay, let's get back over here now. We were just looking at the coupler of the box car. Ooh! Hopefully this thing's gonna not stop again. Oh. Dude, you know what it might be? Sometimes... Oh.
It's going backwards now.
Oh.
they did?
They're car switching. They're car switching. Dude, this is so cool. I've always wanted to see car switching. I don't think you're supposed to take this as a consist in reverse unless you're doing yard switching. Because this thing's probably very long. I can't even see the end. There's that refrigerator car again. Oh, this thing's really pushing. I can see all the exhaust coming out. They might be in notch 8 right now. No, probably not. If they were in notch 8, they'd probably be moving a little bit quicker. They're probably in like 6 or 7. Sorry, guys. This is pretty cool, right? Judging by the traffic of this place, CSX traffic, we're going to see a lot more trains, guys. Wow, they're going pretty quick in reverse. There they go, guys. There they go. Oh, there is another train coming though on the other track. Well, it's pretty far.
I've been waiting there for a long time.
That, huh?
It's been there before.
No, that one, it's probably pretty far. If we miss a train or two, it's all right, but I prefer not to. But look, it's got its bright lights. Look, it's in it's using bright aux. Both locomotives are using bright aux, which means if they're using bright aux, that means they're gonna move. They're moving forward. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna stop this video, guys, and then maybe we'll film that train later. Make sure to like, subscribe, and we'll probably see another train soon. So yeah. Wow, listen to that.